I went ahead and I purchased 2 store-bought and 3 online products, all to go head to head. Who truly is the double dark champion? For the backyard, we're utilizing the Battle of the Nites, Milogranite versus Ironite. Which one truly gives you the darkest green lush color that most people claim to get? And for my front yard, we're going to be putting 3 products to the test. We're going to be utilizing a simple liquid iron that you can purchase online. We're going to be testing out the double dark of Yard Mastery, and we're going to be checking out the secret sauce. Now, this one in particular, I take no credit for. This one actually comes from a guy known across the lawn community known as Greendoc. So, without his permission, I am not going to give you guys the formula here. All of these are truly the double dark secret that people claim, but only one of them is going to be champion in my yard. It's time to put up or shut up. So day 1 is officially done. All the granulars are down. I'm going to give everything about 3 days just so that it could be equivalent. Liquid is going to work a lot faster than granular. Granular has to dissolve, has to go down to the soil, has to get uptaken. So we're going to give the granular 3 days, and I'm going to water everything in now. And in day 3, I'll put down the 2 liquid apps, the iron and the secret sauce. So I'll see you guys in day 3. Peace. Alright guys, it's officially day 3 today. And today it's the same time frame as 3 days ago. It's roughly about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're going to go ahead and spray. It's exactly been 72 hours since I put the granulars down, and now it's time to spray the liquids. Alright guys, so that is it for day 3. Granulars went down day 1. Day 2, I let everything sit, watered everything in. Day 3, I now put down the liquid applications, which that is the secret sauce from Greendoc himself, and the front curbside here is only utilizing iron. We're not going to water this in. This is all foliar absorbed, so the longer it could go without water, the better. And day 10 we'll do the final reveal, my final thoughts, and crown somebody the true double dark champion. Alright, it's officially day 7, and I got some updates for you guys. As you can see behind me, things are greening up. But is there a difference between one or the other yet? It's for you guys to decide and judge today and day 7. Come day 10, I will go ahead and decide who is the clear winner overall. Go through the backyard first, and then we'll go to the front yard. What do you guys think so far? If you remember, this side was Ironite and this side was Milogranite. There is Ironite and there is Milogranite. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys see so far? Anything yet? This is the backyard. Now let me give you an update on the front yard. So this is the special blend side. This is the double dark side. And over here was just straight iron. Let me know down in the comments if you guys see a difference, and so far on day 7, if one clear winner stands out to you. And I'm gonna try to have some special guests in this video so that they could tell me which side looks darker, so you just don't get my opinion. I'll see you guys day 10. All right guys, today is actually day 15 due to health complications that I had recently. For those who know, thank you for the wishes, the get well wishes. And for those who don't, I just had some complicated issues these last couple of days. I feel a lot better today, so I'm going to record to finally finish this video. I'm gonna have 2 individuals come and let you guys know their thoughts before I give you my final thoughts. All right, so I have my son here. He's going to determine in the front yard first which one is the greenest. We're gonna rank them number 1, number 2, and number 3, and the same for the back. So as I mentioned, all these, this side has had one product, this side has had a different product, and this side has had another product. So to you, which one is number 1 and greener?
To me, that side is the greenest, and then it could be
So this side.
either or one of these, but for me, I'll pick this one as the second and then this one as the third.
We got the right side number 1, left side number 2, and then this one is number 3. Now we're gonna check on the back. All right, so the same concept, but for the backyard, only this time I only used 2 products. This is product 1, or this is product 2. And this is the line that separates the products. So to you, which one is greener?
For me, I think it's this side.
So 1 and 2. All right, you heard it there. There is the first guess. And now I'm going to bring guest number 2 before I give you my thoughts. All right, folks, so you guys already heard the testament of my son, and here we have another special guest today.
How you doing today? My name is Mike. Dan the lawn man's next door neighbor, and we're gonna do a little rating today on his lawn and see how that turns out.
All right, so he already got the information where he's gonna rate them 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna get his testament. So which one to you is number 1?
Okay, number 1 would be this one.
Okay, so the curbside here you rate as the number 1 greenest out of all of this.
I would say out of the 3, this would be the greenest out of the 3.
All right, which
I
one
would
is
say
number
here
2?
on this side of the yellow line would be number 2.
The right side.
The right side here. And this here would be number 3.
And then this side is number 3.
This side would be number 3.
So we got
1
1
on the curbside.
2 on this side, and 3.
3.
All right. So I want you to do the same thing, but now in the back.
Okay, here we go.
All right. So you got the gist of it. Now
Okay.
you go ahead and rate it. You
Okay.
got side A or side 1, side B or side 2.
Okay, I'm gonna go with side 1. This is side 1. This is greener to my left. And over here to my right, it's 2, number 2. You can see the difference there. A little bit darker here, a little bit lighter here. So,
Alright, so
it's all
1,
good. And 2.
2. Do you want to know the application rates? How much it cost me?
No, not really, man. Just keep doing your job.
Alright guys, so as you see, the majority of the folks chose this side as the winner in the backyard. And this is the Ironite side. Give you guys a quick look around again so that you can make a decision and let me know in the comments which one you believe truly won. Ironite, Milogranite. My opinion back here, definitely the Ironite. I'm sorry, but I could not have taken the stench out of Milogranite from my clothes, from my nostrils, from my backyard for like 4 days. It was just disgusting. I really hated it. And then for the price range that it's in now, Milogranite is definitely not worth it. It's almost like 28 bucks a bag that covers 2,500 square feet, which means you're getting a bag for about $10 a 1,000 square feet. No thank you. In other words, the Ironite clearly takes care of, I believe it was 5,000 square feet, pretty much for the same price. And so you're pretty much calling it about, I don't know, $4 or $5 every 1,000 square feet. Back definitely for the Nites battle, Ironite is definitely the winner here. Let's go to the front and give you my thoughts there. All right, so for the front yard, guys, the clear winner that most of the people agreed, and I'm going to have to agree also, is the Secret Sauce side. Secret Sauce definitely gave my lawn a darker, richer, greener color. Double Dark turned my lawn green, but it wasn't as dark as this side, and I don't know if the camera could justify that. But right here is kind of the middle section. You guys could see it. It's like right here. I don't know if you could tell. This side is actually darker compared to this. And then the iron side, to me personally, the iron alone is definitely a lot worth it. Even to me, this side is not as dark green as the Double Dark, but it is still pretty green back here, and it's a lot cheaper, right, compared to the Double Dark, which is $40 a bag at 6,000 square feet that it covers. So that's pretty much, I think it's like about $6 or something like that every 1,000 square feet. The Secret Sauce, the total value there that I spent was probably about 15 bucks, and the application rate, no lie, it's like probably like $2 every 1,000 square feet over here, and it turned my lawn even dark greener. And the iron bottle, which is behind me, that 4 or 8 ounce bottle of iron was, I think, like 20 bucks, and for this, let's just call it 1,000 square foot section, that's about $2 or $3 every 1,000 square feet. So unfortunately, Double Dark is just, it turns your lawn green, not dark green, but it turns it green, and the cost is just not there. This is way more expensive than all the other products that I have purchased that I put to the test. And I don't know if, I think right there I could kind of see the camera, you could kind of see the line. Do you guys see that? That's the line, and that's greener than this. Let's try to look at it this way. Let's compare which one might be greener over here. So this is Double Dark and this is iron. You guys let me know down in the comments which one do you see greener there. But yeah, I would have to agree. Secret Sauce definitely took the win here, and it blew everything out of the water. The Ironites, the Milogranite, the Double Dark, and the iron. That Secret Sauce formula from Greendoc himself really took the title from everything. If I had to pick a number 2, I would have to say the liquid iron. On number 3 would be the Ironite. Number 4 would have to be Double Dark. And number 5, which is last place, would have to be Milogranite. Those are my 1 through 5 picks. Feel free to, agree to disagree down below in the comments. Let me know which ones you guys think 1 through 5 should have been, and let me know why as well. But for now, Secret Sauce, the Liquid Iron, the Ironite, the Double Dark, and the Milogranite, in that order for me. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.